Hello everybody and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 57 and 58. If you would, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ebe Wazir, aka Ebe the Affiliate. I've been an affiliate marketer for 6 months now. The end of 6 months. I started January 1st of 2022. I am what you would call an intermediate affiliate. That means I make more than $1,000 a month, but I make less than $10,000 right now. So my goal is to get above that $10,000 a month mark. And the purpose of this series is I'm showing people how to promote ClickBank products using a product called My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, what My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform where you get 100 leads every single day for $1. And I've seen some case studies before I started doing this one. I've seen some other case studies. And the case studies that I've seen, everybody created 5 accounts. The more accounts, the better. I'm doing my case study with only 2 accounts. They said at least have 2 accounts. Don't do it with just one. You got to have at least 2 accounts for this to work properly. And to get signed up for this, there is a link right below this video. You'll just click on the link and get signed up. Just sign up the 1 account, and then I'll show you here quickly how to sign up your 2nd account. So after you get signed up, you'll just sign in to your account that you just created. And then you will click on this link right here. You'll highlight this link right here, right click on it, hit copy, open a new tab, and then just hit paste and go. Then you'll click on this button right here and hit use my secret now, and you will just sign up and repeat the steps or whatever. Now the purpose of that is that's going to give you 100 bonus leads every single day. That's why they add these other accounts, so they can hurry up and get double the leads pretty much. So this is not a get rich quick scheme whatsoever. What you're doing with this is a mailing system, so you're building an email list. So think about 100 leads a day, or for example, 200 leads every single day. Think about doing that for a year and how many leads that you can build up. So, and this product also works not only for ClickBank products, but for anything that's that involves making money online. So anything in the e-marketing or e-business category. If you're selling products, like I use this to promote my high ticket product, but you can find a playlist to my high ticket product underneath there as well. And it'll redirect you to my high ticket product. That's where I make my most money online. But this product works for anything where people are trying to make money online. The leads that you get on here are people that are all trying to make money online. So if you have a product that falls into that category, then sign up to this and build up an emailing list outside of your autoresponders. These aren't leads that you own, but still they're people that end up buying eventually. And the more people you have on your list, the more people that will buy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sign into my ClickBank account. We did not get a sale. We got 6 more hours, a little less than 6 more hours for the rest of the day to get another sale. So what I'm going to do right now is you have to create you an account nickname in order for you to get paid through ClickBank. So be sure to create you an account nickname. I'm going to go ahead and click on mine. All right. So this new week started yesterday. All right. So I'm going to come up here and click on reporting so I could look at some stats real quick. Write down my total of hops, 4990. Those went down. So I'm going to write 4990. We did not get a sale. All right. And as you can see, these are my stats. Right now I'm in the positive, $7.37. Any positive I'll take. All right, so I'm just going to close this out for now. Go to my emails. 157. Now I'm going to click on tracking ID. I just want to see how the hops compare to each other. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out my emails. But first I got to find a product to promote. So I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Marketplace up here at the top in the middle. And these leads that we get, like I said, they only work for this category right here, the e-business and e-marketing. So be sure you click on that. And now we're going to find the next product to promote. And the best way to find the best product to promote is you come up here where it says sort results by rank. You'll click on that and just change that to gravity. So live chat jobs, that's going to be the one we promote right now. Let me see which one that one is. I wonder if that's it. Live chat jobs. Social sales rep. Okay, that's what that one is. So we're going to use the social sales rep emails for this. And I got this pasted below. You can't edit it, but if you want to save it for yourself, all you have to do is come here where it says file. It might look different. Here, I'll get in y'all's view mode. This is what it will look like for you all. You'll come up here, click on file, then you'll just click make a copy. You can name it whatever you want, then you just hit make a copy. Then it will open up a new window, and then you'll have access to edit this and do whatever you want with it. Anyone with the link can view, but nobody can edit. Okay, just making sure. All right, so we're going to the social sales rep emails right here. We're going to grab this subject line, the first one. Get paid to answer simple questions, $280 per day. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over here to my mailing system. I'm going to hit select all. I also forgot to mention, if you're making more than 2 accounts, I showed you how to sign up your second one. But if you sign up more than those 2 accounts, then you're going to take your affiliate link from your second account and sign up your third account underneath your second account. That way your second account's going to get 200 bonus emails or 200 bonus leads every single day. So does that make sense? So you'll sign up your 4th account underneath your 3rd and your 5th account underneath your 4th, and so on and so on, however many you do that. That way your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd and 4th account are all getting 200 leads every single day. So as you can see, I got this list built up already to 39,400 people. So right now we need a subject line. So we're going to paste what we just copied. Now we're going to scroll down, hit Control A to select all, then hit delete to delete everything. I'm going to come back and grab the body. You can also use this headline if you want. I like the other one better, but you can use whichever one you want. I'm going to copy all of this right here. I like to do my edits in my notepad, and I don't know what I just clicked on there. I clicked on iTunes and it opened up over here. That is not what I meant to click on. Notepad. All right, so I'm gonna hit Control A, copy this. Paste that right there. Where it says signature, you'll put your first and last name. Up here where it says name, just come up here. They have these codes right here. All of these codes you can use, but whenever it says name, just take the one for the first name. We're going to call them by their first name. So highlight that, copy it. And the only way you can paste in this box down here is with Control V. So get used to using your keyboards, your keyboard shortcuts. Control C will copy and Control V will paste. And Control A will select all. All right, so now we need to go get our affiliate link right here. Here's the affiliate link, and right here where I have it highlighted yellow, you're going to manually type in your account nickname. Remember the name that you clicked on to get here? Your account nickname that you created for ClickBank? That's what you're going to type in where I have the yellow highlights. So I'll show you how to do that. First, we're going to copy the whole link. So highlight it, hit Control C. Come back over here. And right here where it says click here to complete your application, we're going to highlight the whole sentence. I know the app just said on here it might have told you to just put click here, make that clickable, but I want that whole sentence. Actually, I'm just going to leave it like that. I am just going to leave it. I like how it looks like that. I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to highlight click here. And then we're going to come up here. You can either hit Control L on your keyboard, or you can click on this little link right here on the top right. Click on that, and then you're gonna paste the URL you just copied. Now we got to find where it says, see right here? That's the part that's highlighted over here. What I just highlighted is the same part that's highlighted right there. And we need to make sure that your ClickBank account nickname goes right there. That's your affiliate ID. So you're going to hit OK. And there's one more spot that they wanted us to insert it right here. And that's what's cool about these emails. They tell you where to insert the links. So we're going to do the same thing. Click here, insert the link, then find the spot where you have to edit your ID. So right here where it says your ClickBank ID, we're going to erase all of that. In front of your ID should be an equal sign, and after it should be the and symbol. So make sure you don't delete the equal sign. Make sure that's in there, and make sure you don't delete this and symbol. They both need to be in there. And that's how you know where to insert your account nickname as well. Then you'll hit OK. Make sure this perfect timing box is checked. Hit the preview. Don't send it yet. Hit the preview button first. Then hit those click here's to make sure that it opens. Okay, that worked. That worked. So now we can hit send email. And we're gonna repeat the process for the other accounts, but I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it so we don't have to edit anything anymore. And as you can see, it gives you a 23-hour countdown. You can only email these leads once every 23 hours. So the best way to do this is we're gonna scroll back up to the top. We're not gonna sign out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll up, and then we're gonna come up to the tab that says mailing system, right click on it, and then hit duplicate. Now we can sign out. We're going to stay signed in on the first one. We're on the second one right now. There's no way for us to sign out. There's supposed to be a banner right here. So if the banner's not showing up, just come up here to this banner and click on, whenever it turns into a little pointy symbol, just click on that banner. Now we can sign out. Just click on account and then log out. Now we're just going to sign right back into our next account. So I'm signing into my second account. And if I'm going too fast for you all, in the very first video of this play series, I got it listed underneath this video. Just go back to the beginning and watch, and I slowly explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing everything, so you can slowly catch on to what I'm doing. Because in these videos now, I'm just kind of breezing through them, because everybody that's been following along is pretty much catching on by now. But I do explain slowly in the very first video of this series. So if I'm going too fast for you right now, just go back and watch the very first video of this series, and you should be up to par with everything. All right, so now we're going to click on mailing system. Click on select all. For the subject, all we have to do now is go back to the first tab, hit Control A, then Control C, then come back over here, hit Control V, then scroll down, hit Control A, delete. Then come back to the first tab, scroll down, hit Control A, then Control C. Then come back to the second tab and hit Control V. And that's it. You see our links are already here. The code for the name up here is already there. And our signature is already here. So we don't have to do anything else. We can't track these. I don't know how to type in the tracking ID so I could track it. I'm just going to leave the link as is. I'm not going to mess it up. I'm going to click on this box that says perfect timing. I'm going to preview my email to make sure that the links work, which they should. They work. So now we can send out the email. And that's how easy it is to use this program called My Lead Gen Secret. Once again, it's right below this video. Click on the description. For some people might not even know where the description is. So I'm just going to click on a random video real quick. I need to mute, excuse me, my computer. I'm just going to click on a random video. I just want to, what? No. Holy moly. All right, I'm going to click on this video. And see underneath this video, right here where it says more. If you click on that, it'll show you more. So that's what I'm talking about. If you go below my videos, click on the more. I have some links down there for you all to check out. You can get signed up to My Lead Gen Secrets. You can check out my high ticket affiliate marketing series. You could start this series at the very beginning so you can see what's going on. So I know some people probably don't know where that button is. Like, what's he mean? Click on more, click on more. And it's hidden because it kind of like blends in. It's all black printed. So, but that's how you would do that. So that's it for today. And thank you all for tuning in. And we'll come back tomorrow to see if I get one more sale before the end of the month, because this is the last day of June. So thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all here either tomorrow or the day after. Y'all take care. Be safe.